Hi guys, welcome to another review. Today we're going to review the Magic Keyboard with Numeric pad from Apple. I picked this up at the Apple Store, but you can also pick it up online on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description below. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of the box first. Very simple, traditional packaging from Apple. You got the white box and the picture of what you can get. Magic Keyboard. Nothing on the sides. Apple logo on this side. Another Apple logo on that side. And this one retails for $129. Some serial numbers over there. And it says Magic Keyboard with Numeric Keypad. So I'm going to open it right now. We got a titanium knife. Open this. Okay, just took the plastic wrapping out, and I think it'll slide right out. This is a wireless Bluetooth keyboard, and I'm just gonna take it out of the box right now. I think here's a pull tab. There's the plastic film on top to protect it. I'll take that out and just give an overview of that later. What else do you get? So we have a charging cable that comes with it, and some instruction manual. That's about it for what's in the box. Now let's get to the keyboard itself. I'm going to take out this plastic wrap. First thing you notice, this is super light. I mean, this is probably the lightest keyboard I've felt. I had the Steel series and the Alienware one. This one, wow, this one is super light. And another thing, again, it's wireless. Here's a close-up of the keys. It feels, this is a mechanical keyboard, but it actually feels a little bit like a membrane. Pretty good. Doesn't sound as clicky as those mechanical keyboards. Full aluminum construction. Over here you see the wireless sensor. Got a port here to connect to your PC. And here's the power switch. There's no USB outlets on this. Back of it has just the Apple logo engraved on it, all white. Some padding so it doesn't slip. So that's it. That's what you get. Some of my observations on this mouse, just to look at it. It doesn't have a print screen, which many Windows users like myself will find lacking. But other than that, I think this is a very, very nice keyboard. Fully wireless and mechanical. I mean, that's of both worlds. Alright, I'll test out this keyboard, but just looking at it, it is This top-notch quality right here. Okay, thanks for watching for the unboxing and this review. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.